Yeah, I'm in the middle of removing the back door. I've just been taking all the panelling off. Now, a word of advice to any of you think they're doing these builds, do not put a standing foam in there. It's an absolute nightmare, especially when you want to get your cables out. And you see it's all in the foam. Not only that, if you have a problem with your mechanisms or anything like that, it's all in the way. So get the proper stuff, or if you want to do it on a budget, get some loft insulation and put it in bags. Insulation is a bit of a 50-50 in my view. One, it can get condensation in it. If you've got any holes in it, it's more likely to sit in the bodywork longer and rust it out. In my opinion, that silver stick-on stuff's probably the best thing. So anyway, I'm going to get this door off. Looks reasonably simple. A couple of Allen keys there. I need to disconnect this wire when I can find where it's going to. This just folds back and hooks off. And the same here, there's two here. So it's fairly easy. It's probably a couple hundred behind there if I want to do it from there. So yeah, we're going to give it a test paint on this door to see how the colour we got comes out. Right, so I'm in the workshop. Still getting this stuff out, expanding foam, which is an absolute nightmare. I found the easiest way is the scraper and getting down the back of it. But if you've got this in your van and you've got the panel off, get it out, because it's going to be a nightmare if you ever need any welding done, and especially if somebody's not aware of it being behind there and they start welding on it, potentially cause a fire and burn your van down. So not the best of stuff to have on there really. A little glimmer of the colour the van is actually going to be. Like a metallic blue. I mean, if anyone that's got not sprayed on it, it's just a spillage and it hasn't got a lacquer on it, I think that looks rather nice. Okay, and this is another reason you don't want this in here. Don't know if you can see there's a little hole. That's a little drainage hole, so you're getting condensation in here. It normally run down the door and out the holes there. Now if you look at this where I've just pulled it out, you see the water coming out of the sponge. So potentially that is rusting it out. As you can see here, look. See the moisture? Yeah, it's terrible stuff. In principle, it probably seems like a good idea putting it in there. Yes, it would work as an installation, but it's going to cause you more problems down the line. There you go.